Hello everybody, welcome. Today I'd like to give you an introduction on how you register for the swarming process of the European Biomimicry Design Challenge on the Cobiom Swarm Innovation platform. So after you will have received the link to the platform, you go to swarm.cobiom.com and click on Enter the Platform, and you'll come to this login screen. So log in with my credentials. If you do not have an account, you will be using the same login page to register on the platform. So this is the front page of the Cobiom platform. It welcomes you to the Swarm, that is the global network of experts and change makers who dedicate their work to collaborate for impact and future business. So what we have here, just as a slight overview, is you have this welcome window, and you can see that you can enter swarms, projects, people, and you have a direct link to the European Biomimicry Design Challenge. Now, swarms are groups of people, of experts that work on different topics and have join their ideals and interests, and they produce projects. They start on projects, and the swarm projects for the European Biomimicry Design Challenge are also found to be on the projects. Now, other people, other experts like you on the platform, you can access here by the people link. Next section, you have an overview on what's new in the swarm. So here you have the collaboration points that you earn through collaborating on the platform, and be aware that the European Biomimicry Design coins, or here with the abbreviation EBDCs, they will be taken into account when it comes to evaluating your project in the end. They account for 25% in total. You also see the people who are connected with, the swarms who are interested in, and a selection of topics you might be interested besides the European Biomimicry Design Challenge, but we'll come to that later. What you see here on the left-hand side is a menu that allows you to access your feed, your swarms, or your projects, and some collaboration tools that we provide to you. With these links, you access a selection of the swarms that are available and that you marked as favorite, or the projects that are available. You have the same menu here on top. Home brings you back to this screen. Swarms, projects, and the European Biomimicry Design Challenge are the same that are linked up down here. So we now join the EBDC. This is the front page of the European Biomimicry Design Challenge. It features the threads of discussions that are going on, including the project progression. Program gives you access to the European Biomimicry Academy. The feed gives you all news from the challenges on the EBDC, and there are many more options to select from. Now, what you have here in the main forum is an open space for discussions, and what you see here to start with is an introduction by myself about the swarming process. The second step, by inspiration, and the third one, the solution step, will follow in the next month while the challenge is running. If you scroll down the page, you will have access to the challenges, and we will add some more challenges as we go along during December. What we do have right now is the Biomimicry Leather Challenge, the Power Plant Carbon Sink Challenge, Self-Adapting Packaging, and the Natural Communities Challenge that you find on the web page already. Well, let's get back here to the introduction to the swarming process. Once you entered that overview, you will see an introduction about what the swarming is all about, and an overview about the process from now until the end of the design challenge. In the next steps, we will guide you step by step through what it means to do the swarming. So what is the swarming? Swarming means that you get together with the peers that are interested in the same topic, you exchange, you align on values and how you want to work as a team, and then you go through the scoping process of what the challenge is about, and through the human-centered design research. So here we start with what are your goals and values that drive your impact. And these are things that help you align with the team. You have the option to do an ikigai and to choose the SDGs that you take as your guiding framework for yourself and the team. The third step now gives you the introduction and the process and the outline about the human-centered design research. Because in order to have impact in the world, your solutions need to be taken up by users, by people in society and business. These are your stakeholders and you will need to design for them. So for this, it's important to understand the framework of your challenge, the framing conditions, and then engage with your stakeholders, do qualitative user research interviews, and synthesize your results. This is assisted by two templates we provide to you. The one is the user-centered research design table, and the other one is the persona or archetype creation template to summarize your results. So in the end, you will need to summarize these results and submit your swarming results as a team, given the link provided here. You have time from 4th of January to 5th of February for this step. So let's get back to the overview and select the self-adapting packaging challenge to start with. If you're interested in working on this challenge, you will get all the information, all the exchange, all the process in here. And you get an introduction into the challenge and what it means to do the swarming. Follow the process that we have been outlining before. And to help you along in the process, you can use this dedicated Miro whiteboard, and you have a dedicated cloud storage for your team. You can favor, with a star up here, the topic you're interested in, and they will be added to your favorite projects. Another interesting thing we advise you to do is to add the European Biomimicry Design Challenge to your email updates. For this, you see here that you can set your email status and change it according to what you wish for. A daily digest, a weekly summary, all as soon as new topics and threads are added. This is the platform, these are the tools, these are the opportunities we provide for you. Now it's your turn to take them up. We're looking forward to seeing you on Cobiom.